and welcome to this sewing tutorial video where I will show you how to sew a raglan sweatshirt for kids aged 1 to 12 using our own sewing pattern, which is available for purchase in our Etsy shop. This sewing pattern includes simple and easy to follow PDF and video instructions. In this video, I will take you through each step of the sewing process, from printing and assembling the pattern, to cutting the fabric, preparing and sewing the pieces, and finishing the sweatshirt. Step 1. Print and assemble the PDF pattern. The multi-layered PDF pattern we're using for this pattern includes all sizes from 1 to 12, making it a convenient choice for parents who want to sew for all of their children. Download and save the PDF file to your computer. Open the pattern file using Adobe Reader. Use the size chart and measurement guide in the instruction PDF file to determine which size you need to print. You can also find the link to measurement chart in the video description. Print the pattern in actual size. Match the assembly guides and glue the pages together to assemble the pattern. Cut out the pattern pieces and you are ready to start sewing. For more detailed instructions on pattern assembly, please check out our other video titled How to Print and Assemble PDF Sewing Pattern, which you can find in the video description. In the video, you'll learn how to properly print and assemble the pattern pages, ensuring that the sizing is accurate and that all pieces fit together seamlessly. By following along with the video, you can save time and avoid frustration that can come from trying to piece together a pattern on your own. You can check the pattern assembly video link in the description. Step 2. Cutting the fabric. For this sewing pattern, I recommend using light to medium weight fabrics that possess a minimum of 20% stretch, such as French terry, sweatshirt fleece, and jersey. It is also recommended to use ridge knit fabric for the cuffs, waistband, and neckband. To measure the stretch of your fabric, you can use the fabric stretch measurement tool that comes with the downloaded PDF pattern, or you can download the stretch measurement tool using the link provided in the video description below. To avoid shrinkage after sewing, it is recommended to pre-wash and dry your fabric prior to cutting and sewing. Pattern pieces have a 1 cm or 3/8 inch seam allowance included. Step 3. Prepare and sew. Now it's time to prepare and sew the pieces. Sew all the seam lines with a 1 cm or 3/8 inch seam allowance. Pin the raglan sleeve to the bodice, followed by the back bodice to the other side of the raglan sleeve, and the other sleeve to the bodice. Put the front and back bodice right sides together, and pin the sleeve underarm seam lines. Sew the pinned edge of sleeves with the bodice. Stitch all the sewn seam lines with finishing stitch using a serger. If you do not have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch instead. Stitch and finish the underarm seam. The order of stitching and finishing is not important. You can stitch then finish, or vice versa. Fold and prepare the neckband. Divide both into quarters. Align the marks and pin them together. Sew the neckband to the neckline with a stretch or zigzag stitch, starting at one end and stretching the neckband slightly as you sew. Finish the raw edge of the seam using a serger or a zigzag stitch. Press the seam allowance towards the neckband. Top stitch around the neckband to secure the seam and give it a neat finish. To sew the sleeve and bodice hem, fold the hem up by 2 centimeters. Press the hem in place to ensure it stays folded, sew around the hem using a straight stitch, sewing close to the folded edge to secure it in place. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. Let me know in the comments which PDF patterns you want to try. You can also visit our Etsy shop for more sewing patterns. The link is in the video description. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested in sewing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!